Shirley biscuit, guys. Shirley biscuit, they are not made here. What's good, YouTube? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video, and as you read from the title, yes, today I will be putting you guys on some original Dandada Top Shotta Kili Jenna snacks here from Jamaica and the Caribbean. My intention was to make a video showcasing the snacks that I grew up on and snacks that I still eat. However, upon purchasing these items, like I might just say, check the products to ensure that they're all same product of Jamaica. Tell me why I checked 1, nothing. I checked 2, nothing. I checked 3, nothing. I checked 4, and I'm like, baby. But anywho, kudos to those Caribbean countries that made the snack, because I had to do it. Like, I cannot be selfish. I love my country, but I cannot be selfish, and I really want to put you guys on some snacks. So if anyone tries to sell you some Jamaican snack, you can say, hey, RAFAYA say this is no Jamaican snack and this is a Jamaican snack, so where this is a Jamaican snack, if you don't have the Jamaican snack, I don't want it. Yeah. So without further ado, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get to it. As I go along, I am going to let you guys know what is and what is not from Jamaica, as well as I am not going to be tasting these because number 1, I already know what they taste like. Number 2, I am just interested in showing you guys the products so you can see them in the supermarket and get them for yourself, or see them and order them for yourself. And number 3, I am really going to eat these snacks, so I don't want to be opening all the snacks knowing that I'm not going to eat them today. And once you open these snacks, they do get stale quickly, and I don't want that to happen because I will be devouring these snacks. Okay? First, I want to show you guys this one. This is the pepper shrimp. This is currently a rainforest packaging because that's the only one. Oh, my bad. Sorry guys, pepper shrimp. This is actually rainforest packaging because this is the only packaging I could get at that time. This is quarantine, as you all know. I did not want to be going back and forth in supermarkets. Ones that I love, I usually get them in the gas station. When I went to the gas station, it wasn't there. I went to a few supermarkets that I think would have them, and they didn't have it. So I went ahead and I got this one. I am going to open this because if you know me, you know I love these. Guys, please don't bash me with my nails because I did my nails by myself. I have a video that I'm trying to edit to show you guys. So stay tuned for that video. They're not that bad, they're just some little quarantine nails due to the fact that I cannot get an appointment due to the lockdown. Okay, so guys, as I said before, this is peppered shrimp. It's just a dried, salty, and very spicy version of shrimp in a package. Alright, next Jamaican product, as it says clearly, St. Mary banana chips. Guys, this is general. This is Dandada, like banana chips. There's no other like St. Mary banana chips. It is basically fried banana chips in a pocket. It is not too salty, it is just right. It is very crispy and I love it. Like, I'll eat these all day. Oh, and yeah, St. Mary, they have cassava chips, plantain chips, ripe plantain chips. I have a ripe plantain chips. That's the one that I like. It's not, I have never tried the St. Mary one, but as I go along, I'll show you guys. The next product I have is Butter Kiss butter cookies. Going up, I used to love these. They have them in different flavors. I think they have one in red labeling and blue labeling, and this one, but this is the one I love. This one is the butter, like you can see the real in there. It's not salty, it's not too sweet, it's just a buttery cookie. It's very nice. Next one I have is Excelsior Cheese Crunchies. This is bomb as well. This is a real OG. The packaging changed. Growing up, it didn't always look like this, but these biscuits are bomb. They're salty, cheesy, small cheese biscuits. Yeah. The next product I have is Duplex. I don't know if you can see it clearly. These are just some little sandwich biscuits. They have the paste in the middle, the sweet creamy paste in the middle, and the biscuits. You have a chocolate biscuit and vanilla biscuit on the top. So yeah, this is really good as well. I go up on these, and they have them in different brands. This was one of the brands that I grew up on. This homemade, it's very good. Another Butter Kiss. It's a sandwich cookie as well. They have the paste inside and the cool biscuits at the end. It looks like this as it's thick. Yeah, it looks like that as it is. It's a really nice biscuit. You have it in strawberry, you have it in vanilla, and you have it in chocolate. I don't know if they have it in anything else, but these are very nice. I'm going to tell you guys that all the Jamaican products are nice. Of course, I bought them. Next biscuit is Ovaltine cookies. You guys must know Ovaltine because they have it in the tea as well. So yeah, this is a OG. This is a very nice cookie. It has a soft, creamy taste. If you know Ovaltine tea, it's the exact version of it. It's just baked honey. Yeah, good snack. Next one I have is Snackables. It's also a Butter Kiss brand. Snackables, it is really, I would say it's salty, cheesy, tangy, with that natural cheese flavor. Small biscuits. There are some little tiny biscuits. Very flavored. Like, you will love them if you're a person of spice or seasoning. The last Jamaican snack that I have is Tigers. This is a very cheesy corn snack, guys. It's cheddar cheese snack. That's what it says. It's a very cheesy corn snack. It is so good. Like, thank me later. So on to the other snacks that I used to eat growing up or still eat now. These are the ones that are not a product of Jamaica. This is cheese stick. I was so surprised that cheese stick was not made in Jamaica. This is something like the Tigers, but it is more of a tough texture. I'd say it's like Takis. Yeah, I'd say it's like Takis. But this is made in Trinidad and Tobago. So shout out to you, Trinidad. The next one I have is Saldanza ripe plant chips. Again, I am surprised that this is not a product of Jamaica. This is what it sounds like. It is just basically fried, dried plantain chips. Ripe plantain chips. This is from Costa Rica, so shout out to you, Costa Rica. This is another cheesy snack. This one is cheesies. Growing up, the labeling was not like this, so I guess they changed it like the other snack that I mentioned. And this is like takis as well. It's like the cheese stick. It is very good, very cheesy if you're a cheesy person. This one is made in Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. So Trinidad, you go. Trinidad again. This is the Bigfoot. This is one of the OGs as well. I'm so surprised that it is not made here. So shout out to Trinidad. This is a tangy, salty, soury snack. It's good. Shout out to Trinidad and Tobago. This one is a chocolate chip cookie, and it says made in Trinidad and Tobago. Oh, for the Jamaican company. Because I was wondering, why does it say Excelsior, but it is saying that it's made in Trinidad, and all customer care services are number. Oh, it's a number for Jamaica, but oh well. This says made in Trinidad and Tobago for Jamaica. So I really love these. These are like chocolate chip cookie. They're so bomb. They're sweet and chocolatey. If you're a chocolate person, you should definitely get this one. Shirley biscuit, guys. Shirley biscuit. They are not made here. Like Barbados. Shout out to Barbados for Shirley. I am not a Shirley biscuit person. If you do see me with a Shirley biscuit, it has to be the chocolate one. So I'm not a Shirley biscuit person, but I know you probably heard of Shirley biscuit from Jamaica. This is the biscuit they're talking about. The next one I have is Chicky. This is a chocolate biscuit as well as a chocolate sandwich cookie, chocolate dipped cookie. It's made in Costa Rica, so it's a product of Costa Rica. Shout out to Costa Rica. The last product I have is digestive. I really love these guys. My grandma used to get a lot of these from me and my uncle. She used to get this for us. I so love digestive. It's weird how I feel like most of the snacks that I grew up on, they don't taste the same way anymore. It's crazy. Like it's either too sweet or not that sweet, or it just doesn't have the same taste like they usually do. And this is made in Trinidad as well, so shout out to Trinidad for digestive. So that's it, guys. Please remember to subscribe, like, leave positive comments and feedbacks. As I always say, thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Walk good. Peace.